Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xfinity to secure your router admin account step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in xfinity.com and press enter. Once the Xfinity homepage loads, locate the sign in option in the upper right corner. Click on sign in to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the Create an Account link. You will be directed to a new page for account creation. Provide the required information, including your first name, last name, and email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again. Next, enter your mobile phone number for account verification. Select Continue to receive a verification code via text. Check your phone for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the screen. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click Finish to complete the account creation process. You will be redirected back to the sign-in page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Internet section under your account settings. Select your router from the list of connected devices. Click on Manage Wi-Fi Settings. Here, you can set or change your router's admin password. Make sure to create a unique and secure password. Save your changes once completed. You have now successfully registered with Xfinity and secured your router admin account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.